Galaxy Z Fold 7 just leaked, and it's thinner, wider, and packing some serious upgrades. But is that hands-on image legit? And what's the deal with Samsung's fudged thickness numbers? Let's break it all down. Hands-on image leak. First up, a supposed hands-on image of the Z Fold 7 is circulating online. The photo shows the rear panel in a sleek silver finish, with a design that's noticeably wider than the Z Fold 6. The camera rings look redesigned, similar to the upcoming S25 Ultra, and the flash has been repositioned. But here's the catch. The hinge is missing. Poof. Gone. This leak comes from Digital Chat Station, a reliable source but no hinge. That's suspicious. Unless Samsung's invented an invisible hinge, take this one with a grain of salt. Still, even if the image is fake, multiple leaks confirm the Z Fold 7 will be wider. So expect a beefier feel in hand. Thickness controversy. Now let's talk thinness. The Z Fold 7 is set to be Samsung's slimmest foldable yet. Just 3.9mm unfolded and 9mm folded. Wait, why doesn't that math add up? Here's the thing, Samsung excludes the raised plastic bezel around the display when measuring the unfolded thickness. That bezel gets counted when folded because it's part of the closed profile. Some critics call this fudging, but it's standard practice, like ignoring camera bumps on regular phones. So, is Samsung cheating? Nah, but will this ultra-thin design hold up? Titanium durability boost. Good news, Samsung's swapping the carbon fiber backplate for titanium, the same material used in the Fold Special Edition. That means better support for the hinge and screen, even with the slimmer profile. But here's the big question. Is the entire frame titanium? We don't know yet. Fingers crossed. Titanium resists dents and drops way better than aluminum. Folding phones need all the durability they can get. The charging S Pen. Next up, a game changer for the S Pen. According to the Elect, the Fold 7's new S Pen won't need a display digitizer. Instead, it'll track its own position, like Apple's Pencil, meaning you'll have to charge it. But here's the kicker. This tech could finally enable S Pen support on the outer display. Fold users have begged for this since day one. But this is Samsung. Will they really deliver it now or unlock it later with the Fold 8? History says, don't hold your breath. Oh, and here's your first look at the Watch 8 Classic, launching with the Fold 7. Want the details? Stick around, we've got you covered.